Hello everybody, good afternoon. It's me Mamta Rana, the basic level math teacher of Noble Environment Academy. And today we are here for our online class and I am going to teach the line and line segment of Unit 1 for class 6. I think all the students, you are ready for our class. Here in page number 2, Unit 1 for class 6, yes, there is given about point, line segment and rays. It is for review, yes, as your revision. So let's discuss about it. Point. Yes. In junior classes, we already read about point, yes. In class 1, 2, 3, all we know about point. What is point? Can you tell me what is point? Yes. A dot is a point. Yes. Point, it is represented by dot. Okay. And this point, it has no length, breadth. It means it has no direction. Yes. The point only represent the position. Yes. To represent the position, we give the point. We give the dot. Yes. It has no directions. Understand? So this is a point. And point is denoted by capital letters. Yes. All we know. This point they are not denoting by small letter. Yes, if you write small letter A, this is mistake. This point they are representing by capital letter. Yes, point A. Yes, this is point P, capital letters. This is point X. Okay, point they are denoted by capital letters. Point, it has no any direction, it has no any length, breadth. Okay, and point, it is what? It has no direction, it is only denoted the position. The points only denotes the position. Okay, and now next is given about line. What is line? This is point and line. What is line? Yes, a line. Yes. Point A, point B. Yes. Yes, the line it goes through point A and point B. A line it has no end points. A line it has no end point. Okay? We can extend it in any direction. Okay? We can produce the line in any direction. It has no end points. Okay? And line, they are straight also or they are curved also. We can say straight line. This is straight line and some line they are like this. Okay? Which type of line is this? Curved line. Yes. This is straight line. Yes. This is curved line. Good. Line, they have no end points. Yes, we can produce a line in both directions. Yes, in both directions we can produce line as we can. Okay, so line, they have no end points and we have two types of line. One is straight line and this is curved line. Okay, this is zigzag line, curved line. Good. And another topic is line Line segment is a line which has fixed point, fixed length. Yes? Yes. AB. Yes? Line segment which has particular measurement. Okay? A line segment AB, it has particular measurement. It is 6 centimeter. Yes? Line AB is a 6 centimeter. Mean AB line, it has particular measurement. Yes? It has fixed length. Okay? PQ line 4 centimeter. This line PQ, it has also particular measurement, that is 4 centimeter. They are called line segment. Okay students, line segment, they have particular measurement, they have endpoints, they cannot extend in both sides. Okay, in both direction we can't extend it. Line we can extend, we can produce in the both direction. Line segment we can't extend them in the both direction. Okay, they have fixed measurement. They have fixed measurement. They are called line segment. And another is given about ray. What is ray? Okay, a ray is a part of line which has one endpoint. Okay, ray is a part of line. It is also a line, but it has one endpoint. Yes, ray, it has one endpoint, and we can produce, yes, ray in one direction. Yes, in the next direction, yes, we can produce it as we can. Okay, and one side in one direction it is closed. Yes, it has endpoints. This is called a ray. Okay, this is a ray. This is a AB ray. This is PQ ray. These are points. Okay. Okay, and in a book there is given in the blue shaded rectangular form, there is given some important things, and there is written remember. Okay, let's read that. Infinitely many lines can be drawn from the given points. Yes? Yes, point, it has no direction, but through this point we can make infinitely many lines. Okay, that is written in number A. Yes, infinitely many lines can be drawn from a point. Yes. 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 This is a point. Yes. From this point we can draw infinitely many lines. So many lines we can draw. Yes? Yes. Infinitely. As so many lines we can draw from a point. First number, and second number is written there. Only one straight line can be drawn through two given points. Yes? From one point, yes, we can draw so many infinitely lines, but through 2 points we can draw only one line. Through 2 points we can draw only one line. Through 1 point, yes, from 1 point we can draw infinitely many lines. And next it is written infinitely many rays can be drawn from the given points. Yes, rays also. Yes, infinitely many rays also we can draw from a point. Yes, from a point we can draw infinitely many rays. And next, a point has position only. I told you already, a point, it has only the position. Yes, a point, it denotes only position. It has no direction. Yes. a point, it has only the position. And next important thing is, remember thing is, a line can be produced in both directions without ever ending. Yes, I told you a line they can produce in both directions ever ending. Yes, without ever ending. Okay. Next, a line having fixed measurement is the line segment. I told you, yes, line segment is a part of line which has fixed measurement. Yes, line segment is a part of line which has fixed measurement. And next, a ray is a line which is closed in one end. Yes, it is also, I told you already, a ray is a part of line which has one endpoints. Okay, so like this we completed this review part, and there is given exercise. Yes, there is given so many exercise. Okay, do it, and if you have any confusion then you can ask me. Yes, question number 1, study the given figure and write 3 points and 3 line segment. Yes, there is given a picture. Yes, A, B, C. Look this, you have to write the name of 3 points and 3 line segment from this. The name of 3 points are A point, B point and C point. And the line segment are AB line segment, BC line segment and A to C, AC line segment. Okay, like this you can write. Number 2, there is given line segment. Yes, and you have to identify that which one is line, which one is line segment, which one is curved line. Okay, first number, yes, I think it is line segment. Yes, good. Number B is one side arrow given, it means ray. Good. And number C, MN, there is given curved line. Yes, it is curved line. And number D, there is given 2 side arrow, that means line. Very good. Okay, and number 3, name the rays in the given figure. This is also not hard, you have to write the name of rays here. Number 4, look at the flowing point in your copy and join the set of the flowing points PQR in order and come back to the starting point you have drawn. Yes, there is given the points. Yes, and you have to join them. Okay, in order A, B, C, and you have to come back with the starting point. Yes, here is given. Yes, P point, Q point and R point. There is given points and you have to join the point in order. It means P. First letter is P and P, Q, then Q to R and R to come back with the starting point P, like this. Okay, and you have got the triangle figure. Yes, okay, like this. Question number 5, question number 6, number 7. Okay, there is no any difficult question, you can do it. And question number 8, let's discuss about filling the blanks. A point has dash only. What? A point has position only. Very good. A point has no dash, dash and dash. What? A point has no length, breadth and height. Yes, length, breadth and height. I told you already, our point, it has no length, no breadth and no height. It is denoted only to represent the position. Okay, next, dash line can be drawn from the given points. How many lines? Infinite lines. Yes, infinite lines can be drawn from the given points. Dash line can be drawn from the given 2 points. Yes, how many lines? can be drawn. Okay. Orange has dash in point. Orange has only one in points. Yes. Like this we completed our this review session, and in our next classes we read about parallel line and intersecting line. Okay, your homework is exercise 1.1. Complete it. If you have any confusion there, if you have some problems there, then you can ask me. Okay, students, your homework is exercise 1.1. Do all. Okay, complete all. Yes, complete all. If you have any confusion, then please ask me. Okay, and in next classes again we will meet. Okay, and we read parallel and intersecting line. Okay, thank you class.